Well, Chucky fucking ducky, aren't I lucky? I get to fucking stand out here half hungover, freezing my fucking bag off just to make another cold start video. Fucking mint. Alright, before I crank this fucking thing over, let's see if the one working headlight on this thing actually works. Oh, well, not bad. And you know what's hilarious? That's the key to the isolator switch. Yep, so if, in case this thing ever fucks up and goes hell-bent for fucktown, you ain't gonna be able to kill the fucking battery and this thing's just gonna light on fire. Ain't that fucking fun. Alright. It'll take quite a bit of cranking because I let it run out of gas in this spot since the last video. You know, that was kind of retarded, but whatever. Let's give her. Uh-oh. There we go. She's cranking. Gotta pump it. No accelerator, so it's kind of pointless. Whoa! Whoa! Shit! I said something was gonna fucking happen. Oh boy. Well, something sparked and it wasn't good. I'm gonna pause the video and, you know, see what the fuck happened. Well, I found the problem. The jumper cable got into a fight with the parking brake, and it sort of arced out right there. That wasn't too fucking good at all. And at least no electronics got fucked up in my car, so that's mint. So we still got the minty V8, you know, pissing off gas can Greta. So that's mint. And the reason why I came up with that nickname, Gas Can Greta, is, well, she consumes more fucking fossil fuels for her stupid fucking shit, flying in planes, riding in yachts and trains. She uses more fossil fuel than I do. And let's face it, I use quite a bit of gas with these fucking sacked out opposed twins and minty V8s. Alright, let's give her. Now let's get life support unhooked. Alright, now let's send it. The old pimp mobile, mint. Uh-oh, shifted between a gear again somehow. I really gotta figure out that shifter issue. I built new linkage for it, but it still seems kind of vague. I turn on the light. But yeah, uh-oh. There you go. Oh, what the fuck? There goes my fuse, boys! Alright, well, looks like I'm using camera flash. Yay! Uh-oh. Oh, I hit the wrong switch. I almost just killed it right there. Alright. Now, in case you fucking meatheads thought I was going to fire up that mudmower just to go for a ride, for your pleasure, Well, you're surely friggin' mistaken. Coming down here to the woods to grab this old punching bag, you know, to give to a friend for Christmas. God damn, this fucking thing is heavy. I'm trying to do this one fucking handed. Fuck. Alright, it's in the trailer. Now I gotta get thrown in the fucking car. Alright, let's give her. Uh-oh. You pick a fine time to leave me stranded. You fucking craftsman, you're a piece of shit. Oh, the light came back. Yeah, it worked, man! Yeah! Alright. We're not stranded anymore, boys! Yeah! Fucking giving her all the way, I tell ya! Here's how I mainly turn it off. And my tether switch still works mint. I don't know why I installed this friggin' thing. I never fucking use it. Alright. Oh, it flickered a little. I think I might need to replace that switch. But anyway, that's it for tonight's video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. You know what I like about Crown Victorias? It's not the fact that they're dirt cheap, even though that's great. It's not the fact that they're simple to repair, even though that's a plus. You have a fucking massive trunk in here. You can throw fucking punching bags, chainsaws, toolboxes, tackle boxes, and even a full-size dead deer. Fucking mint. We'll see y'all next time in the next video. Oh, before I shut down this video, a little update on the dump saw. Put a new bar on it. And I had a custom sticker made for it. Fucking mint. Alright, now we'll see y'all in the next video.